Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to add a profile picture in TradingView account using your mobile device. First of all, open up the TradingView application on your smartphone and log in entering your credential. Once logged in, go to the menu button at the bottom right corner to open up this section. Now, click on your username at the top and click the pencil button at the top right. Under Edit Profile, you will see the Edit Photo button. Tap on it. Now you can choose a photo from your device's camera roll or take a picture from your device's camera. Select one of the options and I'm just going to choose one of the existing photos, so let me tap on Choose from Library. Now select the picture you'd like to use as your TradingView profile picture and click on Choose. Now tap on the Save button at the top right. And that's how you can easily change your profile picture or add a profile picture in TradingView. This small step will help you personalize your account and makes you stand out in the community. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.